Okay, there's been a mishap, but now we're gonna go to hole 6. Wait, this is hole 6?
Yeah.
Okay, we're doing 6 and 7.
And after hole 6, we're gonna go to a
So
cave.
that's the hole 6. And then we're gonna go to a cavern thingy to go to the next hole. Okay. Okay.
Coming
up.
up.
Here we go.
Oh,
Oh, that sucked. That sucked.
actually, that's not a bad position.
Oh yeah, you're right. It could. Yeah, that's not a bad position.
4.
Oh, get out of the way.
Okay.
Okay. Suck at golf with the camera in my hand, but.
Break.
Whoa. Oh, goodness.
Oh, almost winning, almost winning. I accidentally hit my brother's wallet. Oh, that's a good position. That's a good position. That's a good position.
Even with the rocks.
That's good. Okay.
All right.
Got it in.
Free, right?
Now on to hole 7 with the cavern. Let's go see what the 7th hole looks like. Okay. This one.
Right here. Yeah.
On to this hole. So that's hole 7. Okay. It's gonna be a pretty challenge.
I got it in 4. Me and Josh got it in 3.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Here's the next hole.
Who already made it?
You can make it there.
This man right here. Uh-oh.
Oh, can I try again? Can I try again?
Mulligan. Yeah, when he rolls back like that, it's a mulligan.
Okay, that was a mess
Mulligan.
up.
3.
Woo! Score! Hole in 1.
I didn't get a hole one. But oh, that's a good position. That's a good position.
I'm gonna try.
It's a good position. Yeah.
If you
Okay.
make it in.
Here's my ball.
Oh my gosh, I'm melting. I'm officially melting. Almost.
Ooh,
Whoa.
so close.
Okay, Amy.
Almost got in. Almost
Guard the
got
glass.
in. Okay, I'm gonna make it in this time.
Christian's a rock star. Amy, what'd you
Josh?
do?
Yeah, I got it
You
in.
can't do that.
Got it in.
You cheated.
Was it your turn?
Yes, it was.
He went like this. He pushed it, it stayed right here, and he pushed it in.
Okay, well that's gonna be 5 then.
Okay, fine.
Okay, let's go, baby.
Okay.
Come on.
Till next time on hole 8 and 9.
Woo!
See ya.